Welcome to Cooking with Hilda, and today we are going to the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is a staple in Paris, and if you come to Paris and you don't go visit the Eiffel Tower, it's like you never came. You have to go. Eiffel Tower is beautiful to visit during the day or even during the night with the lights and everything surrounding the Eiffel Tower is beautiful too. They have food, they have parties, they have a lot of things to do around the Eiffel Tower. There are many ways you can arrive to the Eiffel Tower. We decided this time to use the metro, and then from the metro station to the Eiffel Tower we just walked. It's always better if you can purchase the tickets online, because that way you will only have to do the line once instead of twice. After that, you have the option to climb 674 stairs in total. And this is a very good workout, but totally worth it. Let me show you why. In the halfway, there's a restaurant there, and it's nice to drink something after doing all of that exercise. We like to go to the top of the Eiffel Tower using the stairs, but if you can't, or if you prefer to use the elevator, there are elevators that you can use all the way up. Now I have to say, the last little part of the Eiffel Tower, the tip top, it was closed this time. It was closed during this visit we did, but we have gone before, and that little part is just available through elevator. And this is the view from the second floor of the Eiffel Tower. One of the things I want to recommend you is never buy stuff of people that are around the Eiffel Tower, because they usually scams. I have to say it. If you want to buy something and to take home, like a souvenir, buy it in a store or in places that you know you can trust. Usually after we go to the Eiffel Tower, we take one of these boats in the river and go around the city. Is a very good recommendation to go around the city. There are also options where you can eat lunch or dinner in these boats.
Welcome on board with the Tête de Paris. Alors le tour va durer 1 heure, on va partir du pied de la tour Eiffel. Et on va aller vers le centre de Paris, on va aller voir les îles. Île de la Cité, île Saint-Louis, avant de faire demi-tour et de revenir. Ça fera 30 minutes aller et 30 minutes au retour. So we start in a couple minutes from the foot of the Eiffel Tower. And we're going to the center of Paris to see the islands. So the Queen, Marie Antoinette, was sent to jail here, and she remained here for 76 days.
So thank you guys for being one more time with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like the Eiffel Tower tour, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.